Welcome back. So in this session we're going to look at setting up training course records, session attendances by individual clients for these training courses, and training sessions, which are the times and days that the training actually takes place. So we are on the sort of main contact screen at the moment, as you can see from the tab here. If your training course tab doesn't show up on the top, and it probably will not, then come along to the little down arrow here, click down, and there's training courses. And you can see here a list of training courses that are already scheduled, and you can change the view here. You've got this sort of default view, then you have one called all, which is maybe a little cleaner. We've got training course name, we've got the start date of the course, so it's quite a good way to to find your course, and the location and type it's being and the type of course that it is. So in this session we're going to create a new training course by clicking on this button here, and then we'll give the course a name. So let's call it training course, and we'll call it demo, because this isn't a real training course. Type, we'll say that there's quite a lot of different ones listed here, but we'll say it's CSCS. And that the start date is going to be on, let's say, Friday's not a good date to start training, so we'll do the 4th of June 2018, and that it's going to be held in the Highlands. And at that, we've recorded information that we need to record, so we're going to press save. So the training course now appears, training course demo, and all being well, we can see it back on the list of training courses. Now, if it's not listed at the top, it's because some of these courses are scheduled many months in advance. So we just need to come down a little, and we'll find, there we are, training course demo. We'll click on that to go back into the details. And then we've got two sections here to expand upon, course enrollments and training sessions. So let's add some people to attend the course. So new course enrollment. Participant, I've got two names that I've been using here as a kind of demo or test client. So we'll have Jenny again. A national insurance number if it's available. You can just enter it in. If there's a voucher, you can record the voucher code, and if they're paid in cash, you can record that. So we'll tick that and say it was £200, and that actually says date paid. Silly me. So we'll put the date in there, and then the amount paid. And we'll just explain that again. Where you see that date showing today's field, that'll pop today's date straight into the date field. As a person received ILA or ITA funding, I should say. Not everybody does. You can leave it blank if you wish. You can allocate it in effect to a program. Say it's 2 steps in this case, and then provide some other information. So that's one person now enrolled. Once you press save onto the training course, you see their details here. And we'll add one more person. Participant, we're going to use, I think I have someone else now available, so I think it's an Ian Smith. Let's see, there's Ian Smith test, so that's the correct one. So he's also going to be attending the training course. We have his national insurance number. Again, he's already paid the amount. Let's say paid late last week, and as I'm doing this, and he paid £200. Again, we'll just allocate this to 2 steps. So you can then click save, and now we have 2 people enrolled for our CSCS course. The final thing we have to do is create training sessions. So we'll do new training session. Now the session date, the course is due to start on the 4th of June. So let's say we'll just say the first training day is on the 4th. Do we want to record that participants will be auto attending? We can do that or not. You can leave it blank. I guess the most honest approach at this point is to leave it blank. The session duration is 5 hours. We'll skip over that, similar to that field. And then session comments, Megan to arrange lunch. And so that's the first one is on the 4th of June. We'll record another one now for the 11th of June. Again, it's 5 hours. Megan lunch. You always get lazy when you're having to fill the same field in over and over again. Save and create a new one. And again, we'll have it on the 18th of June. Session is just 3 hours. This one is the final one. Final session. No lunch required. And click on save this time because we're not going to create another new one. And there, although obviously I've speeded through this, we really have our training course set up with 2 people enrolled into it and 3 training sessions scheduled to attend. And that is the main part of setting up a training course. You've got the course name, the type, when it's to start, its location, who's coming along, and when the sessions are. And if you ever need a report of training sessions that you've been responsible for, just drop me an email or give me a call, and I'll get that set up for you or for your unit for that matter, because all of this stuff can be reported on. Okay, I hope you found this useful, and feedback is always welcome. Thank you.